Okay, DOK Day 2022, or DOK Students Day 2022. It's been a year and it's been amazing. I'm Nellie Toby. I'm forward deployed engineer at Jellyfish, and I'm going to talk about teamwork because I come from a background where you had your 8 hour shift, you went in, you had a very specific amount of stuff you had to get done in that 8 hours. And going into a team dynamic was kind of a culture shock for me. So I want to start with I don't have a background in team dynamics, but I just want to share the things that really helped me that I wish someone had told me before I had jumped into this environment. It takes a village to raise a child. And for a lot of us, our software and the code we write is our baby. But it takes a village to make this thing successful. And that's why having a team is so great. You have people to lean on, you have people to help you, you have people to support you in a healthy environment. Um, and so having people to bounce the ideas off of, having people to support you is huge in raising the baby. It's getting the project done and making everyone successful. Having a team means more ways to improve. You're not just going it alone. And there's so much you can improve on by having a team. You share each other's failures, you share each other's successes, and there's a lot of learning to be done there. A lot of learning to be done there. I always tell this story when I talk about teams. One of my favorite movies, Beautiful Mind, the mathematician John Nash. He won a Nobel Prize for this. And forgive me, mathletes, if I get this completely wrong. But the concept is that as a group, when the group shares a common goal and they're all trying to succeed at this goal, if everybody in the team, if everybody in the group works together for that common goal, and they want everyone in the team to be successful at reaching that common goal, they're more likely to be successful than if they're going it alone and only doing what's best for themselves. Now, that doesn't mean you don't do things that are good for yourself, because you need to be kind to yourself. We're going to make mistakes. We're going to have failures. And in a healthy team environment, you're able to step back. You're able to take breaks. You know, you got your teammates rooting for you, going, "Hey, go get some water, go walk around a little bit," you know. And it doesn't mean excluding doing things that make yourself successful. You get to do the things that make yourself successful too. But the idea is that as a team, you're always trying to make each other successful and trying to make the project or the goal, make it to that goal and everybody getting there. There's no single point of failure. Have empathy. One of the things that you can do to help your team to be a good teammate is to lead with empathy. You don't know what someone else is going through. You don't know if they're having a really bad day, if they need a Snickers. I've been there. I've needed a Snickers. So always lead with empathy and have empathy for your teammates, and hopefully they have empathy for you so that everybody can reach that goal. Everybody benefits from a good team culture. It's the whole idea that, you know, if I want you to be successful, then I'm going to do the things that help make you successful. If you want me to be successful, you're going to help me be successful. And there's a huge shift there, right? Because you're not alone anymore. And it can feel pretty great. And in a healthy environment, healthy team culture, everybody's helping each other. We're all going to the same destination. We're all trying to get there, and we're all helping each other get there. So these are the things I want people to take away from this that will help with the jumping into a team culture if you've never been in one. Be the teammate you wish you had for yourself. You know, when you get into a situation and you're not sure what to do, what would you want someone to do for you? You know, the golden rule. How would you want someone else to respond? I mean, we live in this remote age with Slack and with walls of text and code, and it's hard to interpret sometimes. At least for me, it is. It's hard to interpret this text and understand what's going on. But if you lead with kindness, you're kind to yourself, you're kind to others, and make sure you're the kind of teammate that you would want on your team for yourself. If you make the team successful, you'll be successful. And remember, we're humans, not machines. we're all in this together. We all want it to go right. We all want it to succeed. We all want to get there in the end. Thank you, DOK community. It's been amazing last year, and I can't be grateful enough for a community that helped this child get raised into the tech industry. It's been amazing.